Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
So we're diving into the world of home espresso today, comparing the Breville Barista Pro, right? ASIN B0BSVP9K2N.
And the Philips Series 2200 fully automatic ASIN B07MM-SHC4R. Sounds like one's for the barista in training and the other for pure convenience.
Exactly. Both promise great espresso, but cater to different coffee lovers. The Breville Barista Pro is definitely for those who want to get hands-on. That integrated grinder with dose control lets you really dial in your grind size for the perfect extraction. It's got conical burrs, which is a nice touch.
The Philips also boasts a built-in ceramic grinder with 12 adjustable settings. Ceramic is interesting. Philips claims it ensures consistent grinding and brings out the full flavor. Wonder how it compares to the Breville's conical burrs in terms of grind consistency. Good question. Grind consistency is key for good espresso.
Absolutely. The Breville also highlights its precise espresso extraction, thanks to digital temperature control, or PID. They say it keeps the water within plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius of the ideal temp.
The Philips focuses on ease of use, but it also mentions an intelligent brewing system that promises the perfect temperature. It doesn't give specific numbers like Breville, so hard to compare precision there.
True. Now for milk frothing, the Breville has a manual microfoam milk texturing wand. If you're skilled, you can create some serious latte art. It's powerful.
The Philips has a classic milk frother, which is definitely simpler to use. Probably not as powerful as the Breville's wand, but great for quickly making cappuccinos or lattes without a huge learning curve.
Perfect for a quick morning caffeine fix.
Exactly. And the Philips has one-touch beverage options: espresso, coffee, and hot water. Super convenient for busy mornings.
The Breville has a cool LCD display showing grinding and extracting progress animations. It gives you real-time feedback.
Philips counters with an intuitive touch display, so a similar idea, but maybe geared more toward simplicity and ease of navigation.
The Breville comes with a bunch of accessories, like single and dual wall filter baskets, a milk jug, and even the Razor Precision Dose trimming tool.
The Philips focuses on easy cleaning and maintenance. It has a removable brew group that you can rinse under the tap, and the AquaClean filter claims to eliminate descaling for up to 5,000 cups. That descaling claim is a huge selling point for convenience.
Definitely. One more thing. The Breville boasts a super fast 3-second heat-up time thanks to its thermojet heating system.
I don't see a specific heat-up time listed for the Philips, so that's something to consider if you're impatient for your morning coffee.
So if you're a hands-on coffee enthusiast who enjoys the process and wants ultimate control, the Breville Barista Pro seems like the way to go. But if you prioritize convenience, easy cleaning, and one-touch simplicity, the Philips Series 2200 might be a better fit.
Exactly. Think about your lifestyle and how much time you want to dedicate to making your espresso. That'll really guide your decision.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.